Welcome back, my friends. Hope that you're having an awesome day today. And I want to share with you today how to bring a new feature called survey funnels into your funnels. And it is the idea that you can then collect information from your subscribers or your potential leads and then take actions on that information. So let me just go right there. So if we go into our Clickfunnels account, you can click here on Add App. And if you have never used it, you will see it right here on the top where it says Other Apps. In my case, I have it right here where it says Survey Workflows. And after you create your first workflow, it will add this app to your site widgets here. You see, Survey Workflows. So let's go there. First thing, we're going to create a new survey workflow. Click plus. It's going to ask you for the name. So demo video workflow. I'm going to create a new workflow. And in here, we have different questions. An input question is something that they will type. A multi-select is something that they will select. Single select is information that they will select, but it has a very interesting detail. That selection, you can add it to the contact attributes. So in that case, let's say you want to know if they're an entrepreneur or if they're real estate or what is their favorite pizza or whatever information you want to collect that they just select. So let's start with an input. I'm going to type, what is your email? And then I want that information saved in the email field. So you see, this is part of the default fields. Save. Now, you see that you have this plus sign before and after the question. If you want to add a question before, you add it here. Let's say that you forgot and you want to, instead of ask for the email first, you want to ask for what is their first name. Can click in here. Now you see it added the question before. Now, a survey, normally you want to collect some information. So I want to go here, I'm going to click plus, and I have two options. I can ask a new question, or I can make a determination based on answers from previous questions. In this case, I want to ask another question. I want to single select, and I want to go, what is your favorite food? And I want to save that information. And by default, you're going to see the fields that are with the star are part of the default fields in the contact. But you see that they are other fields that I have in here. These are custom attributes that I have added to my Clickfunnels account. And you can create that. I have a video on how to do that. But if you have a field that you want to collect, you can add that information. Example, I have here one for company or calendar link. So in this case, I want to save this information into the save food. In that way, I know what is their favorite food. I'm going to go here. First option, pizza, burger, Italian. Very simple. Save this. Now, I have these three questions, and that might be a really cool survey. You collected the information, but we could already do that. We could do this with a regular form. Here's some of the magic of what we could do with the survey. I can now go here into this plus sign and say, add outcome. And in here, I have the option that I can end the survey that was a regular traditional, or I can redirect someone to a specific page. I'm going to click redirect. And now I can create rules. So add a rule, and I can pick a question. In this case, what is your favorite food? And I can select is equal to. Then I can select whatever I added to. In this case, I want to select pizza. Save. And now it's going to give me the option what I want to do with that redirect. I can select a page, a funnel, or a URL. I know the URL for where I want to send them. So in this case, I'm going to send them to pizza. So when somebody select pizza, send them to the pizza URL. I'm going to add another outcome. Okay, so I have my survey completed. So I created. So let's do a review before we move to where we're going to use it. We're going to ask 3 different questions: first name, email, and what is your favorite food? See? Now, based on the answer for favorite food, I want to redirect my customer. So let's say that you work with entrepreneurs and you want to know, hey, are you a coach? Are you a speaker? Are you a trainer? Are you a consultant, small business, church, real estate, whatever it is? And you want to send them to specific pages so you can talk directly to them. You can now, based on what they selected, you can redirect them directly where you want. Or let's say that you can send them to a different website that you have. Okay. So now that I have my survey completed, I need to add the survey to a page. So let's go there. I'm going to go into funnels. I have a demo funnel. So in here, I have, like I show you, the 3 pages that they're going to get redirected. Let me just add the survey page. I'm going to add a section. I'm going to add a heading. And there is an element called the survey. So you're going to add it. You can style this section, everything similar to everything else that you do. So I'm going to go here. And I'm going to click in the survey element. And in here, you're going to see that it's showing you in red, hey, you need to select your survey. Let's click in here, demo video survey, save. And now I am ready to test this. So I'm going to click the preview. And one of the things that I want to do to test it is I want to copy the address and I want to open an incognito window. The reason to open the incognito window is that when you answer the questions, it's going to automatically redirect you. And every time that you open the page, it will send you to the original selection that you did. So in our case, if you select pizza, it will always, when you land in the survey, it will send you to pizza. If you go back and you try to answer again, currently it's staying there, but this will help you to redirect people automatically where they need to go. So let's go here, demo 3. Demo 3 at example.com. And in here, I can select pizza, burger, or Italian. I'm going to pick Italian. As soon as I click next, it sent me to the Italian page. So in this way, you can select their information automatically where they go. Where is all this information stored? So if I come back into my contacts, Okay, so let's open this contact. And now the information that we collected, if you remember, we saved the favorite food selection here. You see, favorite food, Italian. There you have it, my friends, how you can actually end up leveraging your survey funnels so you can collect information in a new and easy and innovative way with your customers. My friends, we'll see you on our next video.